Stop overthinking.
Execution changes everything.
Most people don't fail because they lack ideas.
They fail because they never launch.
They plan, they research, they wait for the perfect moment.
Speed is an advantage, especially in business. Momentum beats motivation every single time.
Let me break this down in a 30-day framework anyone can follow. Week 1.
Market research. You're not guessing, you're looking at data.
Demand.
Occupancy rates. What type of listings are already winning?
You don't need the best market, you need a proven one. Week 2. Setup and furnishing your Airbnb.
This is where most people slow down.
Don't. Simple beats fancy. Clean beats trendy.
Functional beats expensive. Your goal is comfort, not perfection.
Week 3. When it comes down to your Airbnb, now it's time to focus on pricing and automation.
Dynamic pricing, self-check-in, automated messages.
If your listing depends on you doing everything manually, you don't own a business, you own a job.
Week 4, launch and optimize. You go live.
You launch your Airbnb. You adjust pricing. You collect feedback. You improve as you go.
Perfection delays profit. Action creates clarity, and clarity creates confidence.
So the checklist for today: choose the right market, use proven systems, automate operations, and launch within 30 days. And that's how you launch your 30-day Airbnb.
High volume. High volume.
Am I really that?